So today I'm going to get my front windshield tinted. This is a 2020 Hyundai Veloster. It is a premium. Already has tint on the sides. It's 20% tint, but I'm going to get the windshield tinted. As you can see, there's no tint, so this is what it looks like. Sorry, it's kind of dirty. That's what it looks like in the lights. 20% looks dark, but you can still see through it. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like driving normally. Of course, like I said, 0 tint in the front windshield, 20 on the sides. 20 on the side looks really clean, I think. Not too dark, not too light, but I think I'm gonna go 50 on the front windshield, just to protect from sun and the dash from cracking. So I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Just arrived at the window tint place. Man, they got some nice cars here. Dang, even that Camry looks nice. Wow, one day. But I'm still proud of this. I'm still proud to have this. I'm very thankful. One last look. It's gonna look nice after, I'm pretty sure. All right, this is the after. Driving home, 20%, 50% in front. It does need some time to cure in the sun, of course, but I'm really happy with it, honestly. And I don't think I'm gonna regret this decision to do 50. I was a little nervous at first, but it's awesome. It's perfect. I'll show you what it looks like after I get home. All right, here's the final result. 20 on all the sides, 50 in the front. 50, you can definitely tell that it's darker, but it's the perfect amount, especially in the sunlight. One thing that I did have them do was they tried to get the tint and the camera up here, just like halfway, but it was hanging, so I had them just cut straight through, and it looks a lot better. Let me show you what it looks like with all the windows down. All right, now that the windows are down, that's what it looks like. So obviously you can tell the difference between the 50% and the other side. So this is from the inside, side to side. This is from the outside. So honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It's a perfect amount. I think I would highly recommend this combo. 50 in the front, 20 on all the sides. And of course in the back is 20 as well. You can kind of see through. So there you go.